Welcome, in front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device through the PIN code. First of all, make sure that you're trying to enter the PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, because these two are often mistaken for each other. Try to enter it a couple of times, try to remember the PIN code that worked for you the last time, and if you can't access your device using this PIN code, then maybe your phone is lagging or some third-party application is blocking your phone. And to remove their effect, we can hold down the power key for a while. Then when you see a menu like this on your phone screen, you'll have to slide the restart option to the right, then hold down the volume up key like this until your phone boots up. Wait for a while, it usually takes up to 10 seconds, and then you'll see the fast boot mode on your screen. Use the volume down key to select recovery mode, press power button, and wait for a couple of seconds to let your phone boot into recovery mode. And when you see the recovery mode screen, you'll have to tap on this option right here, click on it, then confirm by clicking right here, and then wait until your phone reboots into the safe mode. Now in the safe mode, you can try entering your PIN code safely, and if you succeed, then go to settings, select fingerprint, face and password, and then either disable lock screen password or change your lock screen password to any other, and then restart your phone by holding down the volume key, the power key, and then selecting restart option and sliding it to the right. Let me try doing it once again like this. And once your phone restarts, you'll be able to regain access to it. But if you didn't succeed doing that, and if you still don't know how can't access your device and couldn't do that even in safe mode, then the best option in such case would be to try to reach out to VIVO customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your device without removing any personal information or data that is stored on it. Now, if you cannot do that either, then you can perform a factory reset operation. You can do this locally using recovery mode, which I just showed you, but if you don't feel comfortable using recovery mode and you don't know how to manage it, you can watch the entire video explaining step by step how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this particular phone on our YouTube channel. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And if you want to, you can use the Find My Device feature. If you have a Google account connected to your device, then you'll be able to perform factory reset remotely. It's way easier than using recovery mode. You simply have to enter Find Hub service on Google and then log into your Google account that is connected to this phone, and then select this phone on the list and select factory reset and wait until your phone is fully reset. Once it is, you'll be able to set your device up once again and regain access to it. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.